What is up, ladies and gentlemen? So in this video I just want to talk about a quick software for people that are struggling with Pinterest marketing, building their Pinterest followers. This is actually a new software that will be released probably tomorrow on the 20th of May 2019, and it's called Rapid Traffic Suite. So Rapid Traffic Suite is a first software and method that shows you exactly how you can set up your own free traffic machine, building huge followers and getting massive free traffic viral from Pinterest in any niche with ease. So I have Rapid Traffic Suite to go work for you today. So basically this is a Pinterest follower building software. It helps you grow your Pinterest account. So with Rapid Traffic Suite, you never worry about traffic. You can set up traffic to run for you like a machine, day in, day out. Drive traffic 100% free of charge. Set, forget, and relax. Get followers, build up 10x. So it's basically an all-in-one Pinterest marketing software. It comes with training, hands of traffic setup methods, Pinterest account follow exchange, Pinterest group bot repository. So it's got a lot of features. So for you to be able to use this software, it's got 3 steps. Step 1 is you go through the training. Step 2 is you set up a software. Step 3 is you enjoy, grow traffic leads and sales. So it helps you learn more about Pinterest. So when you actually purchase this product for your Pinterest marketing and social media, Pinterest marketing, branding for your business, or anything that you want to use Pinterest for, but you want to grow followers on Pinterest, these are the bonuses that you get once you purchased Rapid Traffic. Yep, Rapid Traffic. So this is a demo video here that I'll play later on. Then here are the bonuses that you get. So once you purchase this product, you get 1 million visits case study, lots of software and training product talk about. Do they walk the walk? We practice what we preach. So they actually show you some case studies behind the scenes of the results gotten whilst using this software. 10x traffic training. So you get automated traffic coming from more than 10 additional traffic sources so that you can reach all of these traffic channels with one click without spending a penny. So bonus number 3 is exclusive mastermind. Exclusive bonus number 4 is the 5-minute money pages. Empower a Rapid Traffic Suite result with this training. Our secret revealed 5-minute money pages. So we're gonna go ahead inside the members area. So as you can see, this is going for around $27. This software is actually just $27. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look inside the demo video.
Rapid Traffic Suite. So when you log in, you'll be able to see how many new followers that you are gaining every day, as well as the people that you have followed. You'll see that you can set up your profile URL, your username, which will activate you into the follow exchange to start growing your followers very fast. So you'll see that the whole follow exchange is right here with people that you should follow and all the people that are going to follow you. You'll also find the board finder, which basically means that you can type in anything here, like dog, for example, and find tons and tons of boards with their links that you can use to start driving lots and lots of fast traffic to your website, squeeze pages, blog posts, anywhere else that you would like to send it. You also have the graphics tool, which will allow you to literally create an image for any purpose within seconds. Perhaps you want to create a Pinterest image, which are usually supposed to be very tall. So you can actually go in and shrink down the width of the image, make it really tall, and then create an image for Pinterest within seconds. So I could come here, I can make this much bigger, and I could click apply. From there, I can come in and add a shape. So I can come in here and I can add, say, a rectangle here, make it bigger, and I could say, I can make it like this, bring it down here, change the color. So let's say I want to make it, we'll click apply, and I can change the color to white. Great. Now from there I can add some text. So I could literally come in here and add text right here. That's the name. Travel. So I can grab that, change the text to something nicer. I could basically grab it, position it where I'd like to put it, right in there, change the color, something else, apply, then I can actually grab all of the text, change the style, I can make it center.
So as you can see, so I'm gonna give you guys a shot of inside the members area. This is a dashboard you get once you purchase this product. So you've got a graphics section where you can pick images. Like you can see, you can download images, you can download, reset images, save to my gallery. Then you can also go to gallery here where you can save multiple images that you'd like. Board finder also gives you an access to search for boards that you might be interested in your niche. Pin exchange, where you can exchange pins. Then you've got the follow exchange. These are the people that you can, that shows you people that have followed you and that you've followed. So you come here, you go to the home, and you get some analytics of new followers, people that have followed you, reshares of your content, and all that good juicy stuff. Then if you don't know how to use this, there's no problem. What you come here is they're offering a free training that you can go through that shows you how to use this software. So you've got some software tutorials right here, then you've got a marketing training right here. So overview of the system, domain hosting and WordPress, legal pages, content research, initial post / content schedule, first blog post, Pinterest account, rich pins, group boards, pinning automation, building an email list. And you've also got niche research, why you are taught site layout and setup, building themes and plugins, content creation, monetization, planning ideas, analytics, setup, creating pins in RTS, setup pin exchange, Pinterest, SEO, group boards, long term, and all that juicy stuff. So I just stumbled upon this software and really thought it would be helpful to somebody out there. So you guys can freely come and check out his software. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can pick up this software and use it for your Pinterest marketing, because Pinterest is an untapped social media platform where you can get tons of traffic. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. It's Malama here, and I'll see you in the next online money hooks video. Feel free to subscribe, like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next video.